Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. A CSS rule consists of a selector and declaration block. Here you will see the tag name, which is a selector, then it's the declaration for CSS style, where the parentheses start and end is the closing the CSS rule. First one is the property, then colon, then its value. After that we have a semicolon which will close this declaration. If you want to declare more rule to same selector, then write down another property name, then its value, followed by colon and closed by semicolon. Then in very last it is the close parenthesis. In this example, all P elements will be center aligned with the red color text. P is a selector in CSS. It points to the HTML element you want to style. Color is a property and red is the property value. Text line is the property and the center is the property value.